Hello Internet, Parag Dhawan here. In this video, we will see how to assess data from series using positions or integers or numbers. So for this, we are creating a Pandas series containing elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and indexes of those elements are A, B, C, D, E. Click on the cell and run the cell. We have created Panda series S, which is a one-dimensional series containing indexes A, B, C, D, E, and values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have S with us. Using slicing, we will get first element of the series S. So using indexing. So S in square bracket 0 means it will give the element at position 0 of the series. So if we print S, press escape, A, print S, this is the series created. It contains element 1, 2, 3, 4. Position of element 1 is 0. So when you print S of 0, it will give the output as 1. Now, if you want to assess multiple elements using uh, numeric values or using the not using the labels, using numbers, then you can use slicing also. So first we will print S. S is a series containing elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and indices A, B, C, D, E. Now, when you use slicing S in square bracket, in front of it you have nothing colon 3. What does this indicate? This indicates that you are starting from 0 and you are running till 3 minus 1, that is 2. So element at index 0 is 1, element at index 1 is 2, and element as index 2 is 3. So output of this execution where we are assessing the element using numbers is 1, 2, 3. Click on the cell and run the cell. You can get 1, 2, 3 at the output. That's it regarding this video where we have seen indexing to assess the element of the series and slicing to assess the part of the series using numbers. You can use negative indexing also. What does negative indexing represent? You have to start from the last. So if you print S, where S is our one-dimensional series containing labels A, B, C, D, E. So if you start negative indexing, 5 will have index -1, D will have index -2, C will have index -3, B will have index -4, and A will have index -5. And you are using slicing. So what you are starting from? You are starting from -3. So -3 is here. So it will print 3, -2 will be 4, and -1 will be 5. So output of this execution will be 3, 4, 5. Click on the cell and run the cell. You can see output is 3, 4, 5. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit that subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.